and welcome to the Benny Talk. We are very excited today because we have not only that we have a special person that's going to talk to us today, but also we are excited because you are watching us. Thank you so much for sparing time. If it's your very first time to watch the Benny Talk, you are very welcome, and we thank you so much for spending your time to watch this podcast. Feel free to share and subscribe for more videos like this. And if it's not your first time, you've always watched our videos, we are very, very happy to have you. And from the bottom of our heart, we thank you so much for spending your time to watch us. So today we are going to talk about the mistakes that we always make in setting up our goals. And we have a special friend, Denise Ankunda. You're very welcome.
Thank you.
Denise, who is a social worker, but also very passionate about people's growth. So Denise, you're very welcome to the Benny Talk.
Thank you, Benny.
Yes.
Thank you, viewers, for watching the Benny Talk. Yeah, like she said, my name is Ankunda Denise, and I'm so excited to share with you what I have today. Yeah, so today we are going to talk about the goals we set and we fail to achieve.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I'll first talk about what a goal is. And a goal is what you intend to achieve within a short period. It could be a short period or a long period of time. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we have long-term goals and short-term goals. Okay. Yeah, so a long-term goal, this is a goal that you can achieve in a long period of time or in a longer period of time. Mm-hmm. It could be earning a degree. It could be starting a business. It could be learning a new language. Of course, when you're learning a language, it takes time. It's a process. Yeah. So, and a short-term goal, this one you can achieve it you can even achieve it in a week. It can be achieved in a month. It can be achieved in 2 months. Yeah. So, but we can actually achieve the long-term goal within a shortest period of time, depending on the resources, on the resources available. So we are going to talk about when we are setting these goals, are we smart? Yeah, so when we are setting these goals, we need to be smart, and by smart or by being smart, I mean we should set goals that are really smart. Yeah, smart goals. And when we are setting these goals, we should be specific. This goal should be measurable, should be attainable, should be realistic, and should be time bound. Like when you're setting this goal, are you specific? Yeah, is the goal clear? What are the resources available? Yeah, so can you be able to measure the goals that you're setting? Because when you're measuring them, you can be able to track them. Yeah, so this goal that you're setting, can you really be able to achieve it? Yeah, so are you really when you're setting this goal, is it a realistic goal? Can you be able to achieve it? Yeah, so those are the things that we should really consider when we are setting our goals. And then time bound, you're setting this goal but can you be able to achieve it in a specific period that you really set the goal? So you should also consider being smart when you're setting a goal or when you're setting goals. And I'm not going to only talk about the mistakes, but there are also other factors that, besides the mistakes, there are other factors that we should also, or that can hinder us when we are setting our goals. Maybe you set a goal that wasn't clear. Yeah, so when you set a goal that is not clear, of course you cannot achieve it. So it should be clear. Yeah, you should know why you're setting it. Yeah, what are the resources available? Yeah, so it should be clear. Then sometimes when we are setting these goals, we doubt ourselves, we're can I really achieve this goal? So when you have that doubt in you, you can't really achieve the goal. And then sometimes when you don't have someone to support you to achieve that goal. You
Yeah.
cannot achieve the goal. You need someone to motivate you, someone to push you to be able to do what? To achieve your goal. And then sometimes there is that fear of failure, that you set a goal and you're like, will I really be able to do what? To achieve it. So when you set a goal, first of all, put aside the fears. Go for it. Yeah, do it as much as it might be a challenging one, because of course sometimes when we want to reach the goals that we really set, we always face challenges and all that, but we should focus. Yeah, we shouldn't let our fears win. Yeah, so we should be focused on to achieving the goals that we really intend to achieve. Then the mindset. What is your mindset? Like, what are you thinking? Yeah, when you have that positive attitude towards a goal that you're setting, like nothing will shake you. You'll be like,
Yeah.
I have to do it,
Yes.
and I will
The
do it.
confidence
The
you have in
confidence
your-
in
in
you,
your
of course.
goals,
Yeah,
yes.
that's with a mind. Yeah, so we should also check on our mindsets and what we think, how we perceive things, and all that. But all in all, the goals that we set should be very, very smart goals. Should be specific, should measure the goals that we are setting. They should be very attainable, accurate, realistic, and then they should have a specific, like it should have a time frame.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Wow. Thank you, Denise. That was really, actually, just from listening from you, I'm now thinking about I'm now thinking about the goals I've set for this year 2025, and then I actually come to realize, oh my God, that's the reason why I didn't achieve a certain thing that I set in
Yeah.
2025.
There are also some other factors that
Yes.
are those external factors that can also hinder us or
Okay.
limit us, like from achieving our goals. Yeah, they can be healthy factors.
Yeah.
Maybe you can become sick along the way. Maybe you can lose someone. Then there are also other factors, maybe financial constraints, like maybe you can limited resources. Yeah, so when you don't have enough resources, you can't achieve the goal that you really wanted to achieve. So there are so very many things. Sometimes the burnout at work, sometimes when you have so much to do, you cannot be able to focus on to achieving what you want. Then you should also prepare our mental health, physical, like you should be mentally like well. Yeah, should be well.
Yes. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Denise. This is really the information that we needed. This is what we needed to hear. And you who are watching, whether you are young, whether you're old, whether you are at the university, this is for you. It's for everyone. We all need to set smart goals which are smart, because all these factors need to be considered for us to be able to achieve these goals. Thank you, Denise, for coming, and thank you all for watching. We shall see you in the next video. And if you have any questions, you feel free to text us on the email that's going to be below the screen. Also visit our website on thebenitalk.com for more information about the Benitalk, plus the available free resources that are there for you, for your growth. Because remember, our goal and our motive, and we are really passionate about people's growth, and that's why we are here. So thank you so much for spending your time to listen to this podcast, and thank you so much, Denise.
Thank you too for hosting me.
See you in the next video. Bye.